guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Autumn. Hello, nice to meet you. I decided to do this look. I was just feeling this color. I really wanted to do a dramatic look, something sexy, sultry, you know, seductive. That's too much. Okay. If you guys want to see how to achieve this look that you are looking at right here, then go ahead and keep watching. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and apply that all over my eyes for a base. So when we go in with our eyeshadows, it's going to be pigmented. I'm going to go in with my Fit Me powder. This is in the shade Porcelain, and I'm just going to set this concealer so we don't crease. I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here and put that in my crease. Actually, I'm going to change that. I'm just going to go in with all these colors right here and put that in my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is above the black color, mainly focusing this in the outer corner and blending it into the crease. Next, I'm going to be cutting the crease just right here using Tarte Shape Tape again. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is called Diva, and I'm going to place that where I put the concealer. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Enchanted. I'm going to pack this in the outer corner. So I'm going to take my Maybelline New York Line Stiletto eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and prime the face using the Benefit Professional Primer. Underneath my eyes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm going to be using my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade L4. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Fair Clair. And I'm going to be bronzing my face up using the Patrick Starr Give Me Life Bronzer. Next, I'm going to take the Bahama bronzer and I'm just going to lightly contour. I'm going to take this Profusion Cosmetics Sculpt and Glow palette, and I'm going to take the shade right here, which is called Beige Highlight, and I'm just going to put this underneath my eye. Next, I'm going to take the shade right here and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. And I'm going to take a little bit of that green shade right here. I'm going to take the shade right here, which is called Beam, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. After that, I'm going to take this Pixie eyeliner and I'm going to drag it inward a little bit. I'm going to take the other end of this eyeliner and put that in my waterline. I'm going to be applying these lashes. They're the Kiss lashes, I believe. I'll have a link down below of what lashes these are. I'm going to apply this Dior highlighter. So I'll be right back. I'm going to do my brows off camera. If you guys want to see an updated brow routine, let me know and I will definitely film one. So for my lips, I'm going to take my go-to lip liner, which is the NYX Sandstorm lip liner. So for my lip, I'm going to take the Toofaced Send Me Nudes lipstick and I'm going to put the Fenty Beauty lip gloss on top. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell so you guys know when I upload next. So next time, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!